Alright, YouTube, well, guess what? Today is a very awesome day. My mother actually just thought of me while she was out today, so a bonus gift to my birthday already, the 28th birthday. I actually got my final gift coming pretty soon. It'll be tomorrow, in between tomorrow and next Thursday, and it'll be an Irish bouzouki. But today I got a couple things I'm going to unbox for you guys, but before we do that, we're going to do it like we know how. We're going to present it and address it like a Scottish burn supper, complete with my bagpipes. And these are the Scottish small pipes, the mouth-blown Highland style. Alright. First, starting out with the bagpipe tunes, like the haggis being led in. And then with a little address speech. Here we go. Address to whatever is in these two boxes. I'm going to go ahead and take my chanter out while I'm doing the addresses. Address to whatever is in these boxes. It might be some sort of RGB thing, and I know probably that it is. I'm putting my reed cap on my chanter. Alright, and address to the whatever is in these RGB boxes. I know it's something that has to do with RGB and cyan light and all that stuff. But address to that, like the haggis at a burn supper. It's going to be awesome when we unbox them. Right now we're doing the address like a burn supper. I'm going to go ahead and unroll my bass drone. Just make sure all my drone wrapping is still intact. Oh, there we go. Just got to wrap that back around. And there we go. Squeeze that back in. Probably do the wrapping again when I come back and play the pipes again. But address to whatever is in these boxes. It's going to be awesome. We're going to unbox them together. Alright, so address to whatever's going to be in the first box. It's going to be awesome. I want to say this one is the RGB music speaker Bluetooth light. It's going to be awesome. Address to it, just like haggis at a burn supper. Whatever this is, I know it's going to be awesome. So we're going to unpack it together. And I got my little handy dandy. I got my Irish flute there too. All right, so we're gonna. There we go. Unpacking together, and it looks like something is in there already. There's the little pull tab. Kind of really didn't have to pull it like that, but no worries. I mean, I got the wrapping saved. And we just pull it like that. And put it through so y'all can see it. Y'all can see everything. Alright. Just gonna set everything right there. Then we're gonna roll everything out. Ooh, looks like something in there. I'm just going to set everything right there next to the Irish flute case. Oh, it's even got a remote with it, so that's awesome. It's got a remote, and we're going to pull the tab. Address to that as well. I'm going to set this right over here. This little tab piece, that's for something. I guess that'll be good for when we do another color video. Like, what does this Irish speaker, what does the Irish bouzouki look like under colored lighting? That's going to be awesome. And it looks like we have here, oh, it's got a speaker grill on it. That's pretty cool. And it's got little booklet here to show you how to install it. So I'm going to set that up here next to the little tab thing that I pulled out of the remote. And this will have cyan lights. That's going to be awesome. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can get a test run done on it. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to leave that box right there because that's going to be... Oh, it's got a little speaker diaphragm on here, so that's good. That's going to be awesome because that's going to be like a bass reflex system for it. Alright, so I'm going to come over here and undo this bulb because I actually want to test this. Alright, so I unscrewed this cylinder bulb. It's got a heating element. Alright, I'm going to set this old... Okay, that's the other one that we're going to be unboxing after this. Alright, well, let me grab my... I really don't want to set this because this is made of glass and... Let's see. Where did I put the box for right now? Where did I put the box? There's the... Oh, there it is. I'm going to set this... Nope, that's the other one that we're going to be unboxing. So, there's my speaker light. You know what? I have an idea. I'm going to put it in... I have a safe place to put this, actually. I know exactly where. If I can open the drawer. Yep. Just like that. I can actually put that right in there. There we go. That way it stays. Oh, sorry about that, everyone. Let me set y'all back up. There we go. Didn't mean for that to happen. My camera accidentally fell. My phone camera. Alright, now time to install, or time to try out the new one. This interesting awesomeness of whatever color is going to be in here. Alright, so I'm gonna come up here. I know y'all are not able to see it at the moment, but alright, here we are. I'm gonna put it in here. There we go. Now I just need to... Oh, there it goes. It is tightening. Alright. That is awesome. Alright. Are we in? I think we are. I can also check from here. We are in. Alright. I'm going to go grab y'all off of my little makeshift tripod, and we are going to test this new bulb. It's actually a new light bulb, and also functions. We're going to turn it on. See exactly what it does. Alright, here we go. Oh. And it changes color. Red, green, blue, yellow, magenta, cyan. That's awesome. You know what? Let's turn it off. Let's turn off the other light. I'm going to turn off this light and see exactly what it looks like. So it's a Bluetooth speaker, as y'all could hear by the beep. Alright, let's see what light we have. We have red, green, blue, and it's just the same as every other 16 color light we have. Yellow, if I can get it to work. I already love this bulb, actually. Alright, let's see. There we go. Kind of have to do it differently than... It's different than all the other stuff that I had. But it's got red, green, red, green, blue, yellow, magenta, and what is everyone's favorite color transition? Magenta to cyan. Now here's something cool I actually love about this. The way it's going through the lamp and stuff. So I watched this YouTube channel called Traffic Agent, and he's got some pretty cool stuff. Like there's this one, the way it looks to me, the way the light is reflecting through the netting of the lamp, it kind of looks like the old Fisher-Price sparkling symphony toys a little bit. With the, you know, the kind of way they look holographic almost, especially on the top part. But there we go. That is just awesome. All right, there we go. There's some magenta, some cyan. All right, I'm going to, and there's white. All right, I'm going to turn this off, and we will come back to it, because we got some other lights we got to test out. All right, I'm going to turn my main light back on, and I'm going to set you up here, and we're going to address the next thing, which means I will take out my Bluetooth speaker bulb. I actually really love it. So y'all got to hear it beep. It sounds just like a Bluetooth speaker. So I'm going to take it out and try in the next one. And try the next one. Alright, so I'm going to hold the lamp right here. If I need to, I will reach in here to just check and make sure. Because I just got this bulb and I don't want to mess it up because I want to take it out carefully. There we go. And just kind of let it easily, just bring my my other hand down to support it. There we go. Now for the next one. Address to the next one. Like a Scottish burn supper. Whatever's in this one is going to be the same as the other one, which I think is going to be pretty awesome. We're going to unbox it together. Again. Just like that. Hope we all can see this. I'm going to come around to the other side. We'll also see what it comes with. And again, whatever I unbox on here now, I'm going to start presenting it just like a haggis at a burned supper. So that is what we just did at the beginning of this video with the Scottish small pipes and all that stuff. And I will be presenting my new Irish bouzouki when it comes. So y'all will be able to get to see me play an Irish bouzouki, which will also be unboxed. Well, I don't know if I'll be unboxing it right away, but I'll be tuning it up. It'll come with a gig bag, but there we go. And we get some, oh, and it opens right away. Let me just peel some of this paper back. Right there. Then we will pull out, let's see what we got here. We have, oh, this one's different. This one has oh, it's got some sort of so it's got a disco globe like the other one, but I assume this one also has a speaker on it because it's got a larger bass down here. Got a motor in there, so that's what's going to make it spin. What else we got in here? Nothing else. Alright, so we're going to put this one in and test it. Alright, so we're going to do like what we did before. This one should be smaller. Easy. Line it up. I'm going to feed it into the there. Alright, now I'm going to come and get you guys down and we're going to test it together. Alright, sorry if my hand is in front of the camera, but there we go. Alright, here we go. Time to test it and see what it does. Now it does have a motor, so it's going to spin, but here we go. Oh my gosh, YouTube. Oh, wow. This one? Whoa. This one's like the other one that I have. Hold on, let's turn off the lights and see what it does. It's flashing all over the floor, but let's see exactly what it does. Wow. So that is just like my other disco ball, the one that I have back at home. The motor's fairly quiet on this one, so this one works just like my other one. So it does have a motor. It rotates it. It actually makes it cool. It's got red, green, and blue. All right, there we go. I'm going to turn my light on, and I'm going to turn it back. I'm going to turn my disco light off. I'm going to set it in the safety drawer with all the other light bulbs in there. I'm going to put my other one in because I think it's going to be awesome because I'll be messing around with the colors on it. All right, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and take out the disco ball light, and I will put in my other one. I'm really going to love it. I like the fact that it changes colors. I like the fact that you can change the color, so I'll be able to do cyan light. Alright, I'm going to do like what I was doing earlier. I'm going to feed my hand through. Carefully take out the bulb. It's got a plastic. It does have a plastic got a plastic disco globe, and the motor it's either like ABS plexiglass or something like that. It's got a globe. It's got a bigger motor board for it than my other one. All right, there we go. I'm going to set this in the box for now until I'm ready to get it out. There we go. And I will set it in the drawer with the other light bulb, which I do like, but these ones are going to be a lot of fun. I think I'm going to set my old, well, plain bulb, this silver, oh, I don't want to drop it, though. I'm going to set it right in there, like a casing for it. Alright, and I'm going to carefully set these in there. Alright, YouTube, there we go. Some new lights. I'm going to go ahead and install my new one. Well, I'm going to install my speaker light. So here we go. I'm going to carefully go in under. I'm going to bring my bottom hand in to feed it in, and I'm going to come over here towards the top and feed it in to there. Alright, YouTube. And now I will turn off the light. But first I'm going to grab y'all up and we will start. Alright, here we go. I'm going to grab y'all and then I will turn off the light. And now, finally, for the moment of color. Alright, and it's on. Oh, it left off. So it left off on the color that I was on. So it is on white. Let's see if we can see any of the color. So the diaphragm does not light up. It's just the outer light. But there we go. There is the light. It's darker than I expected, but there we go. And I'm going to put this other stuff in with all the other packaging for the light. All the other ones, I got the light off, but there we go. Set y'all up right here. Alright, there we go. Set these into their respective areas. There we go. There we go. And there we go. There we go. Everything is in their place. And now we just, okay, this can also go in there in the keepsake drawer, even though the boxes are already opened and ready, just like that. And now let's grab the remote and we'll do another color round. Yep, there it is. All right, this has been an awesome night, everyone. All right, so let me grab y'all and we'll go do a color round. Alright, and I like the fact that this speaker does do a color round, so that's awesome. Alright, here we go. One last color round. Red, green, blue, yellow, magenta, and cyan. Alright, there we go. Some cyan light to get us started. Kickstart the rest of this month and the rest of my 28th birthday week. There we go. Thanks for watching and more to come later.